How to change language in Facebook. So all you have to do is to actually go here. There are actually two ways. So the first way is to go to your settings here and just go to Facebook here, and you'll see this option. So what you want to do next is under the preferred language section there, you'll see language, and it's currently set on English. So you have to choose the language that you want your Facebook to be in. So you can have Arabic, Chinese, you can see Danish, Dutch, Finnish, French depends on you. Just tap on that. And basically, you have successfully changed your language on your Facebook. Now, the other way is to go here to your Facebook application, and then on the bottom part, you will see the menu or the burger icon there. Tap on that and scroll all the way down up until you see settings and privacy. Then tap on settings. Now, here on settings, you will see under preferences, you will see language and region. Tap on that. And here, language for buttons, titles, and other text from Facebook. Tap on that and you will be redirected to your settings. And basically here in language, you can do the same process again. So let's go back here to your Facebook application, and here languages you don't want to be offered a translation for. So language you'd like to have post translated into, if you tap on that, it will actually ask you to log in to your Facebook account and basically just confirm the language there. And basically that is how you change language in Facebook, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.